Shiran, you must be joking. Where are you? At the Whole Foods? Well, Whole Foods, before you release these paper bags, you're to educate everybody who's walking into your stores how to use these bags and how to reuse them and how to be accountable and responsible as a human being. This act of behavior is not carried out by an animal or anyone to do with an animal. Or is it? Anyone who behaves worse than an animal carries out this. The animals don't do this kind of behavior because they're not capable of destroying the earth and the life they are living. And EATALY, the EATALY, another food store similar to Whole Foods, you're also responsible for who you're giving out these bags to. These paper bags, utensils, the plastics that you pack your food in with, and charging all these people and making profit out of it. You're to be responsible of how people who walk into your stores are disposing of all of this rubbish. Are they irresponsible? Are they accountable citizens of this world? Or are they just reckless beings who are wrecking the lives of others and everyone, including the life of the innocent insects, the birds, all the other life, and the life matter of this very place? The fabric of life is that we should make people accountable for their act of behavior and awake them with realization of consciousness.